Jamaica's waterless survival and trying to avoid frowziness. Is not smell we smell bad but water gone. Jamaica Water Woes Part 1. The Jamaican government will soon have to explain these things to the tourist, instead of talking about no damned, what I go on, or no damned, ya man, and Irie. They should make excuse for the frowziness down here, for is not the people's fault. Yet I heard some white women say that Jamaican men smell good, smell like? No, I am not going to say it. All we hear from politicians every day is water soon come, water soon come. Spark this and spark freaking that, and in the same breath they tell you about good hygiene. Good hygiene with water woes. Jamaica's third world soon come mentality always has its believers. The government more soon come than even Jesus. Welcome, welcome. You're tuned into Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we keep you in the loop with the latest happenings across Jamaica, revamped, recharged, and delivered with a touch of humor. Today, we're tackling a serious crisis that has Jamaicans rethinking their life choices, the water lock-off struggle, and how it's affecting not just our showers, including the armpits and crotches, but our entire social game as well. And somehow, the authorities believe that it's something to be trivial about. Patient frowziness doesn't even exist, so what are they asking of us? Before we dive into the madness, like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill. And remember, smile because life is too serious to take seriously. Even when it stink, we can't let it stress us out. We out there walking around dusty like Cowboy Trinity, and then they expect that we are having a good day. Hell yes. Let's keep talking about the water crisis and the struggle to stay fresh. Breaking news. Like it's anything new. Jamaicans are officially on high alert, not because of crime, politics, or economic concerns, but because the pipes are dry and social interactions are at risk. Even in the flooding rainy season, the pipes are dry. Toilet paper cleans, but it can't wash. Jamaicans want justice, aka water in their pipes. Don't tell us about soon come. We tired of it. Let's be real, water lock-offs don't just mean less showers. No. This is deep suffering, unfit for the 21st century. You wake up ready to step out, but suddenly, you realize. 1. Did my dry brush technique actually work? Or am I about to knock someone unconscious with my morning breath? Perfume and mouthwash, tired of that. 2. Should I risk standing too close in conversation? Or will they pick up on the fact that my shower was more of a strategic splash session? Third part, smell busting through the seal of the roll-on. Can't hold it down anymore. 3. If the government says they're bringing water to the people, where exactly are these people? Because it's not my pipe. Waterless survival techniques, the unspoken struggle. Jamaicans have developed advanced coping mechanisms to fake freshness during water shortages. The bucket bath speed run, making 2 cups of water do the job of a full shower, with precision movements and prayer. The dry brush gamble, brushing your teeth with no water, then standing downwind so nobody detects the questionable results. The perimeter rule, mastering the correct talking distance so you look confident, but don't accidentally reveal that your hygiene plan didn't go as expected. Meanwhile, NWC officials keep promising improvements, while Jamaicans keep searching for the actual water supply. Because at this point, we need more than words. Water is life, but apparently not for our pipes. Until real improvements happen, Jamaicans will continue to ration water, socially distance for reasons beyond COVID, and perfect the art of strategic hygiene. For now, Jamaica Bulletin Board is officially calling for change, because nobody should have to hold their breath while holding a conversation. And stop telling us about things in the pipeline when they have waited so long for water to come out through it. We are tired of this soon-come third world mentality. That's it for today's Jamaica Bulletin Board commentary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course, smile because life is too serious to take seriously.